Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can add expense in Xero, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go to the business and you will find out underneath the business options that call expense claim. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then here actually you will get the options where you can add your expenses easily. So you just need to set it up, and once it complete, you can easily add your expenses over that place. So I will click all of them one by one. Use one account for expense claim, then click this one, and then here at least one, just click this one. And now you just need to be update roles for one member, okay, and just click and it's complete. So I will click over here, and now again I just need to come over here and click to the expense, and from that place you just need to click on this expense claim. Once you click over here, you just need to provide your BDT, where you spent your money spent at this, like which product did you buy. Like let's do this 2500 BDT. Description, what was it for my computer. Then spent at PC. Then account, selected account, cost for sold goods. Then optional, you can provide this one as into project or customer level. When you're done, you just need to click over here, submit or approve. Just click to the submit right now, and here you can see it already been done. Now when someone watches this one, they can approve it when they feel it, yes, this is the reasonable invest, and they can do their thing easily.